Hello friends, in this video we intend to fund our account through Tether, TRC20, at the Moneta Markets broker. Once we enter the trading cabin at Moneta Markets, we complete the necessary details. For funding the account from the deposit section, here we select funding through digital currency. You click on the desired currency, just Tether TRC20. In this section, you choose the type of trading account, and in the next part, you select the desired amount for the deposit. Please note that the minimum amount you can use to fund your account at Moneta Markets broker is $50. After completing the details, you click on the Continue option. The next page that opens will show you a QR code that you must scan using your e-wallet camera or copy the address that is shown to you and paste it into your wallet. After completing the payment details, you click on I have made the payment. The broker confirms your deposit. Click back to home page and the amount of $50 has been transferred to your trading account. And as you can see, the broker has confirmed that your deposit was successful and it will be displayed in your trading account in the shortest time possible. We click on back to home page, and as you can see, the amount of $50 has been transferred to your trading account in MetaTrader 5. You can check this in the Fund section, under Transaction History, where you can see that it has been successfully transferred. In the next video, we will go through the process of withdrawing from the account at Moneta Markets together. Please see the date your action was successfully transferred. In the next video, we will go through the process of withdrawing from the account at Moneta Markets together. Wishing you success and profitability.